Yeah, hi Nidhi, how are you?
Hi, I'm well. Very cold.
So, how is the time going on? अभी अभी क्या चल रहा है? How is it going?
अभी हमने शूट खत्म करी डार्क 7 वाइट की और फटाफट एडिट भी हो रहा है और फटाफट अब शो बाहर भी आ रहा है। तो अभी
हाँ.
फिलहाल रिसेंटली तो यही हुआ है एंड आई हैव जस्ट कम फॉर basically I've just landed like 2 hours ago to
Oh, so hectic.
yeah, so I'm shooting something now, something new. तो हाँ, so अभी उसकी preparation शुरू है, तो ये सब चल रहा है, but in the middle of a pandemic, so it just feels a little strange.
Right, right.
Yeah.
So, लॉकडाउन का समय कैसा रहा आपका?
Actually मेरे लिए तो बहुत fruitful रहा, mainly because I think कई बार एक ऐसा फेज आता है आपके लाइफ में ना, you realize that you really needed this time by yourself because a lot of epiphanies and important realizations happen at that time. So for me the lockdown was that, and I actually spoke to a lot of my friends and everybody agrees that everybody had these moments with yourself, when it's almost like you
हाँ,
come face to face with yourself after a very very long time, and I think everyone kind of faced that a little bit in the lockdown.
right.
So that way it was very fruitful for me. It was initially क्योंकि मैं अकेले रहती हूँ बॉम्बे में, तो initially थोड़ा स्ट्रेंज था, पहले भी अकेले रहती थी, बट ऐसा नहीं था कि किसी से मिल नहीं सकते हैं, पर ये नई जब
हाँ,
पाबंदियां आ
नहीं,
गई तो
हम्म,
थोड़ा वो अंदर से उलझन तो होती है कि यू वरी अबाउट योर पेरेंट्स, यू वरी अबाउट योर सिबलिंग्स एंड एवरीथिंग. So that was
right.
there, but other than that, I think it was extremely essential for my personal growth. And also, I was very, very grateful that a lot of my work that I had done like a year ago, which had not released, it actually released during that time. And even the audience was so receptive of content at the time because people were at home and they were generally
Right.
viewing a lot more, so they ended up watching it and appreciating it. And I also shot a web series at home, so we ended up doing a lot of interesting work. So that way I was quite grateful. And even Dark 7 White, it was my first web series that I shot after the lockdown, crossing the state. Like I was also shooting Abhay too, which I went आप गाड़ी से हम लोग गए थे, बाय रोड गए थे, it was still, but I had to go to Rajasthan to shoot Dark 7 White, and we were very very nervous because
Right.
there were massive setups like crowd shots, and जिसमें एक दिन 200 लोगों के साथ shoot हुआ था, and in the middle of that, making sure
Oh,
everybody is sanitized all the time, and people were roaming around with sanitizer bottles, and like just spraying people generally and all that. So it was,
हाँ.
you can't get
Just
rid of that
new normal.
anxiety na ki. हाँ, you can't get rid of that anxiety that it, you have to be careful. And definitely the production was so up to the mark. They were bichara running so tight on time, but they were always very sure that they have to make sure that this is taken care of.
Right.
So
So
yeah,
Dark
so
Seven.
Dark 7 White was
Yeah, it is very very interesting trailer से. तो
hmm,
बहुत convincing है. तो what
हाँ.
made you choose that series? What made you choose that? What is that special thing about it?
So I was given the narration of Dark 7 White by Snehal Dikshit Mehra, who this show is she's the creative head of the show, and she's also herself a very very talented actor, writer, and she's a very dear friend of mine. So she happened to mention the story to me, and I told her this story is like, it's so gripping. I want to know what next, and what is with each milestone. There are new. Unlayering of the onion. It's like it's like you peeling the onion. It's literally like that, and then you want to know what next, why, what happened, and everything. And Yudhvir's character, which Sumit is playing, is such an interesting character. It's sorry, my hot
No,
air
it's fine.
doorbell. Yeah, can I just quickly just
हाँ
take it?
please. हाँ
Sorry.
हाँ please.
Thanks. Sorry, I'm in an interview, so I'll have to take this. Thank you. Yes, I will call you. I'm in the middle of an interview. Thank you. Hi, sorry. uh,
Uh,
yeah, so where were we? We were talking about why I did the show. So yeah, so when the story was being narrated to me, I was completely hooked. I was not even thinking that, what is the character that's being offered to me, because I really wanted to know what's happening. And I always feel that when I'm involved in a story like that while listening or reading, it's always a win. And I
uh,
hope I'm correct, and I'm touching wood. I don't want to jinx anything, but and the actors who have come on board, and the amount of effort that they've put in, and they're so talented, and you'll see it in their performances, all the actors, the seven suspects, Sumit, Jatin, everybody absolutely up to the
uh,
mark and never seen before. So it was very exciting. And then when Daisy was narrated to me, you'll see a very little bit of Daisy. I'll be very honest with you. There's not a lot, because she only enters, because this story is from Yudhvir's point of view, and she enters his life uh, at a much later stage, when
mm,
he has political aspirations and he's grown up now and everything. And she happens to be the CM's daughter, and they kind of fall for each other and all of that. So her story like comes in much later, but it was just a very interesting character, because she was a part of a world where she didn't belong at all, and she doesn't associate with it at all, but she's a part of it because I mean, she's a complete daddy's girl, like very like Papa ki pari type,
uh,
but not in a spoilt way. But she's like she adores her father. She's devoted to her father. She's so that
mm,
devout love is there for her father, and so I love that aspect. And then she falls in love with a man who also has political aspirations, but she's very she's privy to the world, but she's very away from it. And then her fiance gets assassinated, and all then you come to know about the friends, and what was the past and how were they associated to the whole thing. So it's a very beautifully told story also. So
wow.
when I got to know about the story, I wanted to be a part of it. I knew that, yeah.
Right. So I was about to ask you that, according to you, which is that one reason कि लोग वो देखें, आप कहना चाहेंगे? एक तो हमें पता चल गया कि बहुत ग्रिपिंग है, and it is very
Yeah.
important nowadays when the series or the originals are releasing on OTT platform, because अगर वो gripping नहीं होगा तो it is very easy to switch off, or you
Yeah.
know,
Yeah.
हाँ. So of course, और वो ट्रेलर से बहुत कन्विंसिंगली बाहर आ रहा है कि ये बहुत ट्विस्ट एंड
Hmm.
टर्न्स वाला है, या फिर कुछ देयर आर सम सीक्रेट्स और कुछ लेयर्स. सो ऑफ कोर्स वो
Hmm.
ग्रिपिंग होने वाला है. बाकी आप जनता से क्या कहेंगे कि कौन से रीजन के कारण उनको ये डार्क सेवन वाइट देखनी चाहिए?
मैं मेरे दो रीजन होते हैं हमेशा किसी भी कहानी को देखने के या सुनने के. वन इज स्टोरी, जो आपने कह दिया बहुत ग्रिपिंग लग रही है ट्रेलर से. दूसरा, आई एम आई एम अ आई एम अ वेरी बिग फैन ऑफ गुड परफॉर्मेंसेस, एंड आई हैव सीन इट हैपनिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ माय आईज. तो आई कैन से दैट डंके की चोट पे, मतलब मैं अपनी भी बात नहीं कर रही हूँ. मैं मतलब मैं दूसरों की परफॉर्मेंस देख के आई यूज्ड टू बी इन ऑ ऑफ ऑल ऑफ देम. Like all the seven actors, the friends, they're absolutely phenomenal. Jatin is a genius, everyone knows. Sumit is absolutely brilliant, everyone knows. Even Sanjay Batra sir, who's one of the suspects, he's the grandfather. He's so good. And ऐसा नहीं है कि क्योंकि कहानी you watch from Sumit's point of view, from Yudhi's point of view. So everybody is a part of the story, but in their part, they've really lived the characters, and you will see that, and you'll really enjoy the performances, I think. So कई
राइट.
बार आप किसी चीज को repeatedly देखते हो because you can't get over the performances. So I think that will happen. Although I've not seen
निधि,
the edit yet, but yeah, I'm
हाँ,
waiting to see the show. I'll be
right,
watching the show with all of you actually.
oh nice.
Yeah.
सो निधि, आप और अमित पहले पहले भी बहुत काम कर चुके हैं साथ में, यू मस्ट बी फ्रेंड्स, आपकी ऑफ स्क्रीन केमिस्ट्री कैसी है?
हम दोनों से पागलों की तरह हँसते रहते हैं हर समय because we have our sense of humor is very it's quite wild and very similar. So we find very
हाँ,
similar things funny, and I'm very lucky because usually I'm usually the one laughing alone at stupid things.
हाँ,
But Sumit also, with all his intellect and brains and his how somber he is as a person in person,
हम्म,
he's actually got
हम्म,
a very very crazy sense of humor, and he and I both love physical comedy. So when we watch things, and we both like immediately like notice thing at the same time. So
हाँ,
sitting with him, and you'll just, if you see the two of us, you'll see that the two of us are just laughing throughout for some reason or the other.
हाँ,
So yeah, that's how that's how it is, and it's always good, right, when you can just sit with someone and laugh. So he's been a friend for years now. I mean,
हाँ,
as brilliant as he is and everything, he's also a really good human being. And I've seen him through a lot. He's seen me through a lot. So,
हम्म,
we have that shared um, that comfort, with each other. With
राइट,
you
राइट,
know each other, and then we get to do work together. So, you can't. I'm very very lucky to associate with somebody as nice as him as a person. That is one, and also as talented as he is.
हाँ। सो निधि, क्या है कि परमानेंट रूममेट्स मतलब, अगर सभी की एक्टर्स की लाइफ में कुछ आइडेंटिकल रोल्स या फिर ऐसी स्टोरीज या फिर ऐसा कुछ प्रोजेक्ट होता है कि जिससे वो आइडेंटिफाई किए जाते हैं, तो आप शायद से आपको देख के वो तानिया, वो क्यूट सी और वो परमानेंट रूममेट्स वाला जो स्टोरी और वो केमिस्ट्री और वो सब दिख जाता है। तो डू यू लाइक
जी।
इट, और आपको मतलब यू वांट टू एक्सप्लोर और यू वांट टू शो योर अदर साइड्स आल्सो, आपको वो अच्छा लगता है कि वो नहीं लगता है कि
I
तानिया से
I
आप पहचान है या फिर परमानेंट रूममेट्स इज मोर हावी बाकी और प्रोजेक्ट से?
love it. I actually love the attention. I love the affection, and I receive it very very readily and with all my hands open, and I feel very blessed. But at the same time, as a performer, I'm always looking out to do something that challenges me.
राइट,
So I have always, even after permanent, even today, like everything that I do, it's something that I would want to watch. And I don't necessarily only watch love stories. I actually watch a lot of other kind of content as well. So there's a whole lot that I want to explore as a performer. And I'm lucky I'm getting to do that also in different projects.
राइट,
But yes, of course, my association with permanent roommates is something I would never ever, feel burdened by it. It's a privilege. I am very lucky that something we did so organically became so beloved by millions of people, and
राइट,
one,
राइट,
it's just the biggest blessing. But
राइट।
having said that, I would love to play a million different types of people. I would never stop
तो
that.
आपने जो भी प्रोजेक्ट्स किए, लाइक मेंस वर्ल्ड और फिर एमओएम अभय, और ये भी आ रहा है, सो एंड देयर आर सो मेनी फिल्म्स यू हैव डन, दिल जंगली वगैरह। सो आपको खुद का कौन सा रोल प्ले करने में या फिर कौन से प्रोजेक्ट में काम करने में ज्यादा अच्छा लगा,
Uh,
खुद ने एंजॉय
each
किया हो?
single every single role that I did, of course, every role has its own moments and challenges, and you love each character when you're playing it. So it's very hard to judge like that, but I think I was most spent and satisfied जब वो होता है ना, आप करके एकदम थक गए, बट थोड़ी खुशी
हाँ,
खुशी खुशी भी हुई और बहुत थक भी गए वो
हाँ, हाँ,
well, I felt that when I was playing Ranjana in Aparan, because language was very different, body language, and what she was going through was something I had never ever experienced in my life. But at the same time, there was a lot of purity and innocence in it. So I felt really challenged playing it, not just as a performer, but also as a human being. I felt it made me a lot more empathetic, and otherwise we were quick to judge people, कि ऐसा किया तो ऐसी होगी.
हाँ.
So I think I became a better person after playing that character, and also um, I think that kind of that satisfaction that you feel, when you're just you don't know what you did, but you know that you felt good while doing, the
Hmm.
scenes
Hmm.
and
Hmm.
everything.
Hmm. Yeah,
तो
I
वो वाली जो फीलिंग होती है ना, हाँ, उसको
हाँ,
एक्सप्लेन नहीं कर सकते, उसके लिए there's no word, it's just a
हाँ,
feeling.
हाँ.
I
Hmm.
felt that with Ranjana, so I think that was all my characters are very dear to me, but definitely Ranjana was one which
Right,
I felt very challenged by.
right. ऐसा ऐसा कोई रोल है कि जो आपको पर्दे पे देख के किसी और का हो, पर्दे पे देख के आपको बहुत प्यारा लगा हो और आपको ऐसा लगा हो कि यार ऐसा रोल करने को मिल जाए तो.
Oh, I mean, there are
हम्म.
so many, but recently only, क्योंकि मैं पता नहीं कुछ देख रही थी या कुछ, and I thought of this. I was watching Harley Quinn's character, the Margot Robbie has played in Suicide Squad. She's this, I mean, she's a villain,
हम्म.
but she's phenomenal. I mean, I love Harley Quinn's character otherwise, even in the
हम्म.
comic
हम्म.
book.
हम्म.
So, and I would love to play something like that. That side of mine and those kind of things. Obviously, as a performer, you get to explore these things with time. So
हम्म.
I really hope I get to. Someone writes something like that, and I get to
हम्म.
explore. But though I'm very greedy, I would want to do everything.
Of
कुछ भी
course
मुझे
you.
अच्छा दिखता है, मैंने कहा यही करना है मुझे, ये भी करना है मुझे, ये भी करना है.
No, we wish the best for you कि आपको सारे के सारे
Thank
जो.
you.
Yeah.
Yeah,
um,
thank
अच्छा निधि, हमारा जो शो है जिसपे ये वीडियो जब हम रिलीज करेंगे उसका नाम है क्या बात है. सो आई
Okay.
आस्क द पर्सन दैट उनकी लाइफ में क्या बात है वाला मोमेंट आया होता है कि जब हमको लग गया हो ये कि यार क्या बात है. शायद वो कुछ सरप्राइज लेके आया हो या फिर कुछ शौक हो या फिर कुछ बहुत प्यारा हो, कुछ ऐसा घटा हो जिसके बाद लगा हो कि वाह यार क्या बात है. तो ऐसा मोमेंट आपको कौन सा अभी रिकॉल हो रहा
एक्चुअली रिसेंटली तो यही था कि मैं बीकानेर पहुंची थी डार्क सेवन वाइट की शूट करने के लिए, तो मैं यूजुअली जब कहीं और जाती हूँ शूट करने के लिए तो मैं सब कुछ कट ऑफ कर देती हूँ। तो उस टाइम मेरा बहुत हुआ सम्मान करके एक फिल्म की थी मैंने।
है?
वो रिलीज होने वाली थी, तो उसके मैं इंटरव्यूज दे रही थी और वहाँ नेटवर्क भी थोड़ा बुरा ही था, तो ज्यादा हो नहीं पा रहा था। और सेकंड को रिलीज हो रही थी और मेरी शूट शुरू हो चुकी थी, बट हम लोग हल्के फुल्के सीन कर रहे थे उस टाइम। और सेकंड को रिलीज हुई और थर्ड को थोड़े बहुत रिव्यूज आने लगे, एंड देन इट स्टार्टेड रियली बिल्डिंग, लाइक माय फोन वाज बजिंग नॉन स्टॉप।
वाह.
एंड आई थॉट यार ये तो एकदम लाइक आई वाज नॉट प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर इट, एंड ऑब्वियसली उस टाइम
हाँ.
नेटवर्क भी नहीं था, मैं ज्यादा बात नहीं कर पा रही थी और शूट भी कर रही थी। और 4 तारीख को मेरा बर्थडे होता है, तो एकदम से
हाँ.
it felt like a really big surprise gift to me, you know. एंड और बहुत हुआ सम्मान को हम लोग लास्ट ईयर शूट कर चुके थे, एडिट
हम्म.
हो चुकी थी, बहुत काफी टाइम हो गया, बट फाइनली 2 अक्टूबर को रिलीज हुई। तो ऐसा, you just when you have one of those moments and you just look up and say thank you, that came
हाँ.
out of nowhere. So it felt like a birthday gift, so that was, I think, my recent क्या बात है moment.
क्या बात है. So,
Thank you for that question. Such a nice question.
yeah. So, और वो निधि, you would be, I mean, सरप्राइज तो क्या, क्योंकि हर एक की वो क्या बात है मोमेंट इतनी प्यारी होती है. मतलब इवन आई कैन फील कि अच्छा ओके, जैसे कि साकिब के साथ बात हुई, ये किसी के भी साथ बात हुई हो, उनकी वो क्या बात है मोमेंट जानने में इतना मजा आता है. सो आई एम ऑलवेज लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू दैट क्वेश्चन कि यार वो क्या होगा, मजा आ जाएगा. सो या दैट
Yeah,
वाज
that's a
वेरी.
lovely question.
So okay, so it was really really beautiful having a conversation with you, Nidhi. बहुत बहुत
Same
प्यारा
here,
लगा.
same here.
And looking forward
Thank you.
to कि आगे भी आप ऐसे ही प्रोजेक्ट्स करते रहे. हमें पता है कि आप कौन से शूटिंग में अभी हैं, तो शायद उनके लिए
जी.
भी हम मिले. और या थैंक यू. बाय
You're
बाय.
most welcome. Thank you so much. Lovely chatting with you. Bye.
बहुत अच्छा. थैंक यू निधि. बाय.
Thank you. Bye.